Hi, how you doing guys? This is Toshi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a Japanese omurice. This is super easy one. I don't cook so much, but I think I can make it. Let's go. First, half of onion. Let me cut. Chicken. That's it. Maybe 1 tablespoon. Okay, let me put the rice on. Tablespoon of this ketchup. Like butter. I think this way. Kinda so-so, but I think I made it. It's really good. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Maybe subscribe or hit the like, please. Bye. Have a good one.